Hey, Kyle Kelly here, Realty Source LI. I'm with Sharon Stark from Jet Direct Mortgage, and we're going to go over real quickly just the difference between a pre-qualification and an actual pre-approval and why it's important to have that pre-approval in hand when you're home shopping. So, Sharon, what is it about that we need to tell the buyer needs to know about getting their pre-approval?
Yeah. Hey guys, you know what's really, really important is the difference between a pre-approval and a pre-qual. The pre-qual letter is basically information that was taken over the phone from a lender, put on a piece of paper, and just sent over saying, "Hey, we think we think that you are pre-qualified to get a mortgage."
Just based on what you told us.
100%. Nothing is really verified or validated. What you really need to do is you need to just see the process through. It could be a little bit longer, it might take a day to get done, but it's going to be in your best interest to get a pre-approval. And the reason why is we're going to put you through our underwriting system. We're actually going to verify your income and your assets and your credit score. We're going to take all of that and basically put you in a position that you have successfully secured your financing. And that is critical in this environment right now, because if you go out at an open home, see a house, at a consumer open house, you fall in love with it, you're ready to make an offer, you really want to have that letter available.
Well, never mind even with showing it. Like, my sellers don't want to show a house to a buyer who isn't pre-approved, right? Like, they got to get that house ready. They got to get the family on out so that the showing can go through without a hitch. And we're just going to show it to somebody who's kind of kicking the tires or just window shopping. No, like, we want to know that they're a serious buyer and that they're ready and able to buy the house.
The consumer really needs to know that it's in their best interest as a buyer, whether you're looking to do something very quickly over the next 30 days, or again, if you're out looking, you're going to come across that home that you're going to fall in love with, and you're going to want to have that pre-approval. And it can happen at 7:30 on a Wednesday night, and you're now up all night thinking, man, we should have got our pre-approval. It's an easy process to get done.
The worst thing is to kind of lose out on that house just because you weren't prepared.
That's right. We don't want to see that happen.
So what does the buyer need to do in order to get the pre-approval from you?
Yeah, so the easiest thing to do is when you know that the time has come where you're seriously considering home ownership in the near future, you want to get in touch with a lender. The documents that we require are standard: 2 years tax returns, W-2s, most recent pay stubs, bank statements. And in today's world, all of that is available electronically. You sign on quick to your computer, you sign on to your portal, whether through your employer, and you just set up a meeting. I do encourage that your first meeting with a loan officer is face-to-face, because you're going to get a lot of information and almost going to be oversaturated. But what we really want to do is set you up. Everything today is going to be about pre-positioning yourself in the market so you have as much leverage as possible. Additionally, you want to go out there with a base of knowledge of what to expect during this process. We're going to run your numbers, and where you thought that maybe a $2,600 mortgage payment was something that was suitable for your family. But then after we go through your numbers, $2,600, it's going to go down to maybe $2,300. That $300 difference in monthly mortgage payment is going to put you in a completely different home.
Yeah.
So I think what you're really going to want to do is just gather the minimum amount of documentation that the loan officer needs. They're going to need 2 years tax returns, 30 days worth of pay stubs, W-2 forms, and most recent bank statement.
When you say meet in person, so they got to come to your office, you go to them?
No. The schedules are very flexible, because we know that our consumers today are working 9 to 5, and they don't want to have these conversations, or they can't during their work time. So evening, weekend appointments are available. Meet in your office here in Patchogue, meet in my office out in Bayshore, meet in their home, whatever we need to do to get this process going for you, and you start feeling comfortable moving forward.
Great. Well, Sharon, thank you so much for joining us, and I'll keep you guys in touch and in tune with what's going on in the next step of the process. But that first step, most important step, is always to get that mortgage pre-approval in hand. Have a great day.
Okay, thanks.